Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Explain with Naeem. Today we are going to discuss about Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin, how many types of Bitcoin, and how does Bitcoin work. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that allows for peer-to-peer transaction without the need for intermediaries such as bank. It was created in 2009 by an anonymous individual or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. In this article we will explore what Bitcoin is, the different types of Bitcoin, and how Bitcoin works. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that allows for secure and anonymous transaction without the need for intermediaries such as bank or payment processor. It operates on a decentralized network called the blockchain, which is a public ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions. Bitcoin is created through a process called mining, which involves solving complex mathematical algorithms to validate transaction and add them to the blockchain. Miners are rewarded with newly created bitcoins for their efforts, which are then circulated the market. Types of Bitcoin. Bitcoin BTC. Bitcoin BTC is a original and most well-known form of Bitcoin. It is the most widely accepted and traded cryptocurrency and has a current market cap of over 1 trillion. Bitcoin Cash BCH. Bitcoin Cash BCH is a fork of the original Bitcoin created in 2007. It was created to address some of the scalability issue with Bitcoin, allowing for faster and cheaper transactions. Bitcoin SVB. Bitcoin SVB is another fork of the original Bitcoin created in 2008. It was created to increase block size limit to accommodate more transactions and improve scalability. Litecoin LTC is a crypto created in 2011 by Charlie Lee, a former Google engineer. It is similar to Bitcoin in many ways, but the faster transaction times and higher maximum supply. Ethereum ETH is a decentralized platform that allows for creation of smart contracts and decentralized application (DApps). It has its own cryptocurrency called Ether, which is used to pay for transactions on the platform. How does Bitcoin works? How does Bitcoin works? Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network called the blockchain, which is a public ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions. Each transaction is verified and added to the block by a network of nodes or computers that participate in the network. When a user wants to send Bitcoin to another user, they create a transaction and broadcast it to the network. The network of nodes then validate the transaction and add it to the blockchain. The transaction is then confirmed and the Bitcoin is transferred from the sender's account to the receiver account. Meaning is the process of validating transaction and adding them to the blockchain. Miners use specialized hardware and software to solve complex and mathematical algorithm which validate transaction and add them to the blockchain. As a reward for their efforts, miners receive newly created Bitcoin, which are then circulated in the market. Bitcoin is a decentralized currency, meaning that is not controlled by any central authority or government. This makes it resistant to government intervention, censorship, and inflation. However, it is also makes it more volatile and subject to price fluctuation. Bitcoin transactions are secure and anonymous, but they are not completely anonymous. Each transaction is recorded on the blockchain and can be traced back to the sender and receiver. To increase anonymity, users can use third-party services such as mixtures or thermal to mix their coins with the other users' coins. Now we'll stop the video. We will discuss the main type of Bitcoin to the next video. Now, Allah Hafiz.